Today we have Talon's phone, and he's going to chuck it at some things.
Oh my! This guy just said Horatio.
Where did it go? I don't even know what happened to it.
I heard it like whoosh.
Yeah, I saw you chuck it across. Where did it go?
If it repeat any damage, since this is like dirt, so
It's soft. Where'd it go?
here it is.
There it is.
You're chucking it like that? I mean, still pretty broken. Oh, I meant for that to hit the board. But...
You missed the entire board. How?
Well,
Where did it go?
where did it go?
I think you just lost it into the woods.
Oh, I found it.
Oh my goodness. There's no way.
Still good.
Alright, chuck it at the wall.
Oh, this way.
Alright.
You know, many people they do axe throwing, but personally me, I think phone throwing's a better sport.
That was aggressive.
Oh gosh, I just fell through that. Now, what the hell? It's fine. It didn't. Wow.
Pretty durable.
I mean,
honestly.
it's still got the crack that was there before.
That was there before, which is
Like-
why we're chucking it at walls. Can I chuck it at the wall?
Let me see the back. Everything's fine from that. What?
I want to chuck.
Actually, very surprised. I drop it, a little keys hit it, it gets broken. But...
Yeah, that was what happened. I threw my keys at him and he hit it like a ping pong paddle.
Yeah.
That was sad. I'm just breaking things. On, I wanna take off
that
the.
broke it.
I'm taking
Oh
off
no,
the
no, no!
case.
If you're taking up the case, I'm doing it.
No, I'm doing
It's
it
my
light. I can't. I have one hand, buddy. There we go. All right.
fault. No, because then it's actually gonna break. No, please. Let me do it.
Cry about it.
Oh, I see the dent. Oh man.
Yeah, it's
I
like
kind of
off-
don't want to shatter it into a million pieces, but it's probably gonna happen. So.
You could bang it off a
No,
rock.
I'm not gonna throw it too hard. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Durability test.
Galaxy S10 durability test.
Dude, still nothing. Look at the back.
Just gonna polish it real quick.
Still got it. I mean, it is, but
All right, it's time for the fire test.
fire. What?
Fire pit
I
test.
don't think we're doing fire. I just want to throw it up in the sky. Uh-oh.
Oh.
That didn't do anything.
Yeah, because you're throwing it on the ground. Throw it on a rock or something. Piece of wood. Dip it in some water.
That's what we were doing. Water. I don't want to try water.
The water test.
The water test.
The water test.
Samsung water test.
All right. Here's our pool. All right, Todd, come here. Show me the. I heard that.
I mean, did it do anything new? I don't really know.
This is just tragic.
Oh, wait, there we go.
Uh,
There's some
New site.
baseball.
Ooh, baseball. No.
Kind of.
Oh, okay. Get ready for this one.
I might not hit it, though. You get this kind of stuff.
Would you like me to do it?
You toss it up in the air so I can hit it?
Get ready for this one. Ready? This is OSHA Hazard 101 right here. Ready? You're gonna miss. I know you are.
I know I am.
Hit it! Oh! Oh my goodness.
Look, it's still unusable. Oh gosh. There's a little grass on there. Where's the which way's up?
Which way's up?
Does it work? What is that?
I can't even focus on it. Oh, let me see. I can't even focus on it, bro.
Oh,
Thing's
still works.
done.
It might detect my thumb.
That black splotch right there. It's not gonna detect your thumb.
Really? It's not gonna detect my thumb?
Just signed in finally after like the touch is disabled and everything.
Alright. Cut it off. Cut it.
Well, you just did the caveman test and I was like 3 more cracks on it. I want to do one in the back. It bent like, ooh, bro, what? Oh, and I'm doing the back glass.
Hold on,
now.
let's get the case.
No, why do you do the case? I want to hit it with the back glass.
Alright.
Get ready for death. Rock, drop, go. Ooh. Nasty one, huh? Oh, oh. Hold on, it's all bent.
Alright, that's good.
Goodbye, phone. We'll show you what it's like after we're done destroying the rest of it. I thought I'd just show a little bit of the worst of it, because now it's just going to be the same thing, just slightly different. Look, it doesn't even fit in the case.
I have ideas. Don't record. We don't record this part, kid. This is not for the public eye. Stay away.
Public eye shows the eye. Phone's somewhere over there.
Oh, I think I got it.
What's the damage?
Oh, I did. Look at that. Look at that.
Ooh.
There it is.
This one.
Oh.
We broke through the screen!
Hey,
It's
Oh.
gone. You're gonna hurt yourself.
I'm used Terminator rounds. As my phone was in my pocket, would it save me?
He's gonna shoot the back of it to see what happens. Stay tuned to find out. I know you can't see it, but it's...
Oh,
Yeah, it was that thing right there.
oh.
It was a horrible camera quality, but you know, there it is.
I think it just bounced off.
Significant dent.
That does not sound good.
It's all crunch noises now.
Oh. Oh.
No, it went...
So, this bulletproof vest doesn't really work that well. If you get hit, the amount of force that thing uses just cracks the phone.
Bad case, can't block bullets.
Cannot block air rifle bullets. Oh, look at... Feel this.